My name is Darcy, and I'm a certified canine fitness coach and the owner of Sweaty Paws, located in Minnesota, USA. I work with a wide range of dogs, from active sport dogs to seniors, focusing on strength, mobility, and long-term soundness. I use Tendiboots because it allows me to bring objective gait analysis to the dog instead of needing the dog to come to a clinic. The system is portable, which means I can gather meaningful data while teaching fitness seminars, both indoors and outdoors. One thing I really appreciate is that dogs can be measured at either a walk or a trot. This gives handlers options to choose what works best for them and their dog instead of forcing a specific speed just to capture data. With a stationary gait mat, the dog must start at one end and hold a consistent gait all the way across the mat. This can be challenging for many dogs. Tendiboots gathers data across multiple runs and uses AI to identify patterns rather than relying on one controlled pass. This creates a more realistic and reliable picture of how the dog truly moves. What has impressed me most is how sensitive the system is. It can detect gait asymmetries that are not visible even to a highly trained rehab professional. I had a client whose dog had been rehabbing a toe injury and had already been released from rehab. Before starting a fitness plan, I ran a Tendiboots analysis and the data showed the dog was still favoring that limb. That insight allowed us to adjust the plan instead of unintentionally overloading a limb that was not fully ready. The data Tendiboots provides is very comprehensive. It measures the height of each step, swing distance of each limb, velocity of each swing, the amount of time the foot is on the ground, and the force of that foot striking the ground. These are the same or even more data points than the types of metrics you see in a far more expensive gait mat system. For me, Tendiboots bridges the gap between what we see with our eyes and what the dog's movement is actually telling us through data.